folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys how to use your damper controls on the MBS Olympia Cookstove. Now this is a pretty simple design. There's only going to be 2 damper controls located on this model, okay? So you are going to have this air control located at the bottom of your ash pan door here. This is known as your primary air. This is super important, especially if you're going to be burning coal inside the stove, because this is needed to make that ignition of the coals when you're getting your fire started. Now it also makes it a lot easier to get your fire started even when just burning wood. So when you're going to start your fire, absolutely make sure that this damper control is wide open. Now your second damper control is going to be located here at the top of the stove. When you're facing the front of the stove and your damper control is pushed all the way to the right hand side, that is going to be wide open. This you definitely want open when you're going to be starting your fire. Now, this is kind of your secondary air adjustment. So when you're looking for your longest burn times, first this is going to close. Now, if you close this all the way down completely, that is going to give you your absolute longest burn time, but you may notice in the morning that your glass is dirty, and that's because you've restricted the airflow so much. Now, really, it's not a big deal to have dirty glass. You can take the ashes from inside your firebox and some newspaper and wipe it down real clean, or if you prefer, you can use a cleaning product as well. Otherwise, if you don't want to deal with that dirty glass, you can leave your damper control open just a little bit, you know, like maybe 1/4 of an inch or so, but you will, of course, lose a little bit of your burn time by leaving that open. Otherwise, with this stacked model, the heat is kind of always flowing up and over the oven. So by controlling your fire, your primary and secondary damper controls, and how much wood you have loaded into the box is how you're going to regulate your oven control. I will do some cooking and baking videos and temperature reading for you guys on this model as well, so you can see how to regulate that. So be sure to check out for those other videos. If you guys like my videos, if they're helpful, informational, and educational, please give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. If you know somebody who's interested in this content, please share it with a friend. Share it on social media. That helps me out a lot as well. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Have a wonderful day.